Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem from the last exam MLC, and the topic is still on exam LTAM. Problem number 7, multiple choice section. For a 20-year deferred annuity due issued to 45-year-old that pays $150,000 annually for life, you are given premiums of G are paid annually during the deferral period. First-year commissions are 40% of premium. Commissions for years 2 through 10 are 10% of premium. Commissions for years 11 through 20 are 5% of premium. We are given the value of actuarial present value of a 10-year temporary life annuity due on a 45-year-old as 6.25. 10-year temporary life annuity due on a 55-year-old as 6. Life annuity on the 65 annuity due is 7.40. 10-year pure endowment at age 45 is the actuarial present value is 0.30, and 10-year pure endowment at age 55 actuarial present value is 0.27. Premiums are calculated using the equivalence principle. Calculate G. So we use the equivalence principle and set the actual present value of future premiums equal to the actual present value of future benefits and expenses at policy inception at time 0. The left-hand side is the actual present value of future premiums payable during the deferral period of 20 years, but payable as long as a 45-year-old is alive, and it's a life annuity, temporary life annuity due of G, and it pays for $150,000 life annuity due at age 65, but deferred over 20 years from age 45. That's why this pure endowment factor is there, plus the excess of first-year commission over future year commissions of 0.3 G, plus 5% of premiums from age 45 to age 55, and then 5% of premiums from age 45 for 20 years. So these are two excesses of commissions. The first one is extra commission in the first 10 years, and the second one is extra commission in years, the first 10 years plus the entire deferral period, so over 20 years altogether. And of course, if you take 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.05, you get 0.4, the first year commission. If you take 0.05 plus 0.05, you get 0.10, which is the commission in the first 10 years, and then the additional 10 years for a total of 20, we have this 5% which shows up in the last term. And all we do now is just solve this for G. So combine the terms with G on the left-hand side, and then factor out the G and divide by all the numbers that G is multiplied by. Now, of course, a double dot 45 colon angle 20 minus 0.05, a double dot 45 colon angle 20 will give us 0.95, a double dot 45 colon angle 20. Then if we move 0.3 to the other side, it will be negative 0.3. And if we move 0.05, a double dot 45 colon angle 10 to the other side, it will be this expression, but with a minus sign. And so G is equal to the actual present value of benefits, really, divided by the annuity that well, actually, not just an annuity, divided by all the terms that G was multiplied by, basically. And now some of these things are given, but some are not. So a double dot 65 is given, but a 20E45 is not. However, 10E45 is given and 10E55 is given. And if you multiply the two, you will get 20E45. And then a double dot 45 colon angle 20 is not given, but we are given a double dot 45 colon angle 10, and we are given a double dot 55 colon angle 10. And then this a double dot 45 colon angle 20 is equal to a double dot 45 colon angle 10 plus 10E45 times a double dot 55 colon angle 10. And then now we have all the terms, so we just plug in the numbers, do the calculation, and we get approximately 12,780.3838, and that's answer C. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.